with the letter of the day is? We have got an apple, an alligator, an airplane. What could the letter of the day be? Yes, letter A. A sounds like apple, apple, alligator, alligator, Good. I have got 4 pictures, but only one starts with the letter A. Which picture starts with the letter A? Yes, apple. Apple starts with the letter A. Good job.